Welcome to Eventide Theory. A sanctuary for the curious mind. And a harbor for the tired thought. This is where we explore the gentle mechanics of sleep, the hidden rhythms of the brain, and the quiet systems that sustain you. We wander through calm landscapes of science, through the architecture of night, and the deep time of stars. There is nothing to solve here. Nothing to hold on to. Everything here unfolds slowly. And nothing requires your full attention. Simply allow your breath to find its own depth. Let your awareness soften at the edges. If you are seeking rest, a gentle understanding, or a moment of spacious calm, you are welcome here. This is Eventide Theory, where inquiry meets stillness, and the night becomes a companion.